Clean your heatsink once or twice a year. Look at this heatsink. It has a lot of dust, which puts some obstruction in front of the fan. The heatsink cannot get cool enough to make our processor cool. Look at my processor. This is a AMD Phenom. Over there we can see some cooling paste. This is my fan, and in the fan blades we see a lot of dust. And this is how the processor produces more and more heat, and the computer gets slow. So for the better performance of your computer, you just take the fan and heatsink off once or twice a year and clean it with some brush. That's it. It will just keep your desktop healthy and it will perform well. If the fan blades have a lot of dust, it doesn't rotate full or record RPM and doesn't produce the proper air circulation on the heatsink. And if this heatsink is full of too much dust, then air circulation doesn't cover the whole heatsink, and this is how the heatsink doesn't get cool. And if the heatsink doesn't get cool, then how your processor get cool? And for the better cooling of your processor, you should clean this fan and heatsink.